Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can sign out of your Google account in Play Store. So if you want to sign out of the Google account in the Play Store, follow the simple step in the video and you will do it in no time. Now the first thing you want to do is open your Play Store. Here tap on the account icon on the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on the Google account you want to log out. Then tap on manage account on these devices. Once you've done that, you'll land on an interface like this. Here, choose the Google account that you want to log out. Now, tap on the remove account button. Now they will ask for the confirmation to remove the account, but before you do that, keep this in mind that the messages, contact and other data from this phone will be removed once you remove the account. To tap on the remove account button, then they'll ask for your permission again, tap on the OK button. Now enter your device PIN. Once you have done that, your account will be removed from your device. Now go back to Play Store. Now you'll see an option to sign in Google Play Store. So you have successfully logged out your Google account from your Google Play Store. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.